Zara's back, I think. Yep. Zara. J. Last one. Can you tell us? X plus 5 equals 19. Zara? No, not there.
She left and she never joined back.
No, I saw her just in there right now.
Oh.
X plus 5 equals 19. It's all right. Minus 5 on both sides, and I think we're getting this. This one here. A minus 3. Maya, let's make sure you fully get this. How do I get rid of this minus 3?
You plus 3.
Plus. And the whole point is not really plussing 3 so much here. The point is more plussing 3 on this side. Yeah? So this cancels out, and you've got A equals to 61. And we'll finish this last one off. You plus 1, or again, the way some of you like to do it is just move that over there. So M equals minus 10 plus 1, minus 10 plus 1, not 11. It's negative 9. All right. Homework. 1, that should take you no more than 10 minutes. There you go. That can be homework. All right. Multiplying and dividing. Yep. Just that. So far.
Okay. Just question 3.
Just question 3. I'm going to write HW on them from now on.
Okay. On the chat?
On here. On the worksheet. So when you get it, you just got to open up the worksheet and you'll see all of the working out as well as where.
Can you also type in the chat, please?
I will.
Thanks.
Unit 2, multiplying and dividing. Of course, what did we say? The opposite of multiplying is dividing, and the opposite of dividing is multiplying. One thing you want to remember from algebra, what's in between the 3 and the A? What's in between the 3 and the A?
Times. The small times.
So what's the opposite of times?
Divide.
And then same thing with that. A fraction is divide. A fraction is division, right? It's divided. So what's the opposite of dividing something?
Time.
So when it's divided, we times. When it's multiplied, or if you don't see a multiplied sign, that just means there is a multiply sign between the 3 and the A. You have to divide. All right, so that's Matt. I think you know this because we did it over the weekend, you and I. So 5A equals 35. What do we do to both sides?
You make it you can make it a fraction if you'd like.
Sure.
And then
divide by 5.
Yeah, and then it should give you 7.
A equals, and then you do it to the other side. 35 over 5, 7. Good job. Okay. Let's do C. Again, it's multiplied, so we divide by 8, and the whole point is you're cancelling out. So you're trying to get rid of it, because remember, our aim is just to find the letter. But then you're not allowed to just divide by 8 on one side. You have to balance the scale. So you do it to the other side. 56 divided by 8, 7. Make sense?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Let's try G. Again, last one. Adele, what is between the 6 and the M?
Equals?
No, between the 6 and the M. Right here somewhere.
Times?
Yeah. Yes, correct. So what is the opposite now?
Divide.
Divide 6. Divide 6. This cancels out. M equals 54. Divide 6. 9. Make sense, Adele?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we do some more?
Of course. Well, now we're going to do times and we're going to do the opposite. So here, this one says divide. X divided by 7. How do I get rid of a divide? Times 7 this time. Times 7 on both sides. So this again cancels out always. So you get X equals 3 times 7. 21. One more time.
So it's like a fraction though.
What do you mean by it's a fraction?
Like it's just doing the times, and
Yeah,
it's
opposite.
similar
Oh.
to the
Cross multiplying kind of thing.
subtraction and addition, right?
Yes, yes. You can think of it like that, but it's important to see it as opposites. So it does work like that, but it's more because of the opposites in this equations case. So what's the opposite of dividing?
Multiplication.
Times 3. A equals 24. Divide 5 times 5 times 5. 45. All right, let's try it now. Cindy, t on 6 equals negative 7. T on 6 equals negative 7. How do I get rid of the division of 6?
Don't you do -7 times -6?
Oh, why did you say negative 6? So you're trying to get rid of the division of 6, so you times 6, then you times this one by 6, and that's it. So it's just negative 7 times 6, not negative 6. If this was a negative, then you would have said negative 6, but it's not. So that's perfect. All right.
Okay.
Let's do another one. F. Let's try F with Alvaro. Tell me, what would you do with F?
Alright, so first, -45 divided by 9.
Yeah, that's it. So that's got to come over here by
So
dividing.
it's -5.
So x equals
Negative 5.
I like to hear x. You can't just write equal, because if you guys write equals -5, you lose a mark. It's going to be x equals -5 because you're trying to solve for the letter. All right, Zara, are you here?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, I. Can you tell me what to do with I? Zara? No. Okay. Hold on. Probably internet issues. Andrea, tell me, what do I need to do to both sides?
You have to do t equals
T equals?
72 divided by 8.
Yeah, perfect. So that's going to come here. You're going to divide 8 on both sides. So T equals to 9.
Yeah.
Beautiful work. All right, let's do more of those. Question 2. Okay, we'll start from the top again. Chloe, let's get a bit faster now. Tell me, x equals, what are you going to do?
Do 8 times 5.
8 times 5, that's gone. That's 40. Here we have Gracia, 7x equals -49. How do I get rid of the 7? No. Maya, how do I get rid of the 7? Nope. Matthew, how would you get rid of the 7? Something happening? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Matt, so what would you do? Okay, 7. Samedi, tell us. 7x.
Oh, Sam. Sorry, I lost the connection and I rejoined. Sorry.
That's okay. That's okay.
You -49 divided by 7, it gives you -7 because it's a -49.
Yeah, good job.
So,
Thank you.
so x equals -7.
Thank you. Thank you. Zara, are you there yet? No. Adele, 8x equals 88. How do I get rid of this 8?
By dividing it.
Dividing by 8. X equals 11.
Yep.
Yep. Let's go again. Alvaro, D, 4x equals 48.
Alright, so first, you gotta divide 48 by 4.
By 4.
That's
X equals?
12. X equals 12.
Thank you. Chloe, A over 9 equals negative 3.
We do negative 3 times 9.
Negative 3 times 9. So A equals negative 27. F, Cindy,
Negative 5 times 5.
oh, that was me again. Hold on. I know. Ugh. Okay, sorry, go again. Negative 5
Times 5.
times 5. Thank you. D equals negative 25. Hopefully our last week of dealing with all this stuff. All right, G, 9x equals negative 36. Let's try. Adele, how do I get rid of the 9 that's here?
Divide it by
Divide
9.
by 9, that cancels out. So x equals negative 4. And Adele, how do I get rid of the 7 here?
Divide.
No,
by
it
9.
is divided.
Oh, times.
Yes.
Yes.
So you got times 7, which means a equals to 63. Again, divide by 11. X equals 11. All right. We'll leave this one.
At the end, can we play Kahoot?
We'll see how we go.
Okay.
Equations, unit 3. All right, 2-step. What's the time? 5:12. We're meant to finish at 5:30. 2-step. I think next week. Yep. I'm not going to confuse us with this.